SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to stop driving focus mode from activating automatically on an iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the steps. To stop driving focus mode from activating automatically on your iPhone, you need to open the Settings app, select the Focus option, choose Driving, scroll down and tap the While Driving button in the Turn On Automatically section, and then you can select Manually. Now driving focus mode won't turn on automatically whenever your phone senses that you're in a car. If you want to enable driving focus mode, you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center, tap and hold on the Do Not Disturb button, and then choose the driving option.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.